Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to sort and filter data in the Excel. So let's sort the age column. Select the age column and go to sort and filter in the top right corner and sort from smallest to largest. Click sort. The data is sorted with respect to the age column, and let's sort the data. Let's filter the data in the department. So click sort and filter and click filter and select IT here and click OK. Hence the data is filtered with IT department. This is sort and filter.